Samsung's first Trifold phone has been making headlines lately, not just because of its unique design, but also because of some recently revealed specs. And honestly, one of those specs might leave fans a little disappointed. We're talking about its charging speed. Yes, Samsung is finally getting into the Trifold game, but it looks like they're playing it safe when it comes to how fast the phone charges. So, what do we know so far? Recently, Samsung's upcoming Trifold phone appeared in China's 3C certification listings. Now, if you're not familiar, the 3C certification is kind of like a checklist for electronic devices sold in China. It gives us a sneak peek into the technical details of new products. And for Samsung fans, it just confirmed something that's both exciting and a little underwhelming. The model number listed was SMF9680, which lines up with what we've already heard about the Trifold device. Along with that, the listing also mentions the charger it supports, the EPT800, a charger that Samsung has been using for a while now. This particular charger maxes out at just 25 watts of wired fast charging. Now, 25 watt isn't bad. But let's be honest, in 2025, it's not exactly impressive either, especially when you consider that mid-range phones like the Galaxy A56 already support 45 watt fast charging. And let's not forget, the competition is heating up. Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate, which is another Trifold phone already available in the market, supports 66 watt fast charging. That's more than double what Samsung is offering here. So on paper, Samsung's Trifold phone is going to look like it's lagging behind. This move seems to show that Samsung is sticking to its usual strategy with foldables. If you followed the company over the years, you'll know that none of Samsung's foldable phones have gone beyond 25 watt wired charging. Even the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is expected to launch around the same time as the Trifold, is rumored to have the same 25 watt cap. So why is Samsung not pushing for faster charging on its most innovative form factor yet? Well, one reason could be battery safety. Foldable phones already have complicated internal designs with multiple batteries and hinges. Adding faster charging could increase the heat and stress on the battery system, which may affect long-term durability. Samsung likely doesn't want to take that risk, especially after what happened with the Note 7 several years ago. But the reality is, other brands are taking that risk and doing it well. Huawei, Xiaomi, and even OnePlus are offering phones with charging speeds well above 25 watt, and they're doing it safely and effectively. So the question remains, should Samsung still be this cautious in 2025? Some fans will say that Samsung focuses more on stability and battery health, which is true. But others may be disappointed that the company's most exciting device of the year doesn't offer top-tier charging speeds. For a premium device like a Trifold phone, which is likely to cost well over $1,500, users expect not just a cool design but flagship-level performance in every area. That includes charging. So what's the takeaway here? Samsung's Trifold phone is shaping up to be a very interesting device. It could be the first mainstream triple-folding phone that reaches a global market. That's exciting. But when it comes to charging, it looks like Samsung is playing it safe once again, sticking with 25 watt wired charging, just like it has on previous foldables. This might not be a deal breaker for everyone. If you're someone who charges your phone overnight, or you mostly use wireless charging, 25 watt might be enough. But in a world where other brands are offering 50, 66, or even 100 watt charging, Samsung's approach definitely looks a bit conservative. As more leaks and details come out, we'll have a better idea of what this Trifold phone will truly offer. For now, we can confirm that it's not going to break any records in the charging department. What do you think about Samsung sticking to 25 watt charging in 2025? Is this a smart move for safety and battery health, or should they finally catch up to the competition? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on Samsung's Trifold phone and other upcoming tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video!